Today we'll be looking at if statements. Let's say we have properties at different locations in Nigeria we lease out for rent. We want to be updated about the rent status, the due date, and the days left. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to enter today's date using this format in a cell as a reference for my calculation. So I have the date. Then for the days left, I'm going to select equal to this, subtract it from today's date, then I'll lock it, press enter. So I have 5 days left for this property. I'll double-click this to autofill for all others. Then for our status, we're going to enter an if statement. So using an if statement, if the days left is less than 0, so we'll say it's expired. Expired in parenthesis. Then the second condition, if the days left is less than or equal to, let's pick a number. Let's say if it's less than or equal to 7, we'll say it urgent and due soon. Urgent and due soon in parenthesis. Then if this condition is not met, we'll say active. Active in parenthesis. So then we close our 2 brackets and press enter. So we can see that the first one is less than 7, so it shows urgent and due soon. So if I autofill others by double-clicking this, we can see that this has expired, this is active, this is expired, this is active, this has expired, this is active. So what I'll do again is go to Conditional Formatting. I will highlight all the status. Click on Conditional Formatting, pick Highlight Cell Rule, then scroll to Text that contains. I'll pick my cell, press Enter. So for this urgent, I'll show yellow. So I'll click OK. And for others, I will repeat the same process again. I'll go to Conditional Formatting again, highlight Cell Rule, text that contains, pick the cell, expired, press Enter, expired. I'll put red OK. Then for active, I'll go to my Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, text that contains, I'll pick this, active, press Enter, active. This I'll show green. So we're done with our information. We can see that this is urgent and due soon. This is already expired and needs payment. This is active. This has expired. This is active. This has expired. This is active. So that's how to use if statements in Excel. That's it for today.